Are your listings struggling to shine in the market? Welcome to the Clean Slate Strategy with TidyTex Home Cleaning, where we turn cluttered chaos into captivating charm. Our reliable, veteran-owned cleaning service in San Antonio specializes in preparing homes for sale, ensuring they look their absolute best. We understand that first impressions matter, especially during showings, and that's why our professional team is ready to swoop in with quick turnarounds before those crucial open houses or buyer visits. Imagine a home that sparkles, inviting potential buyers to envision their future there. Plus, here's a tidy tip for realtors. Enhance a home's appeal by opening all the blinds and turning on lights before a showing. This simple trick brightens the space, making it feel warm and welcoming, exactly what buyers are looking for. By partnering with TidyTex, you're not just cleaning, you're investing in faster sales and happier clients. Our attention to detail and commitment to excellence ensure that every corner shines. Ready to elevate your listings and make a lasting impression? Check the video description for more details and contact us today to make your properties shine like never before.